share ko lang na kailangan ko sa barangay kauwi ko lang. Nahirap ako ngayon to move to, you guys see, as it move. Duduyan mo na ako. Yeah. Dubli-dubli na ito yung duduyan tayo guys. Kahit ganito lang duduyan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, duduyan naman ako minsan-minsan. Sorry. It's hard for me to move because I got this hard hard day of supporting to it, to whereas it's hard to hide, to keep this. Yeah, so oh my god, yeah, cause yeah, providing, supporting to it, and then yeah, dinahirapan ako ngayon sa taghirap ko, may dumagdag. I try to control it, then yeah, I don't know, but it cannot. So kakalungkot where it's uncomfortable. Really, guys, right, if you can, you see, yeah, so oh my god, nahirapan akong gumalaw. Oh my god, so I don't know if this really get it this hard, supporting, caring on it. Oh my god, dumagdag siya guys, hirap ako. Dumagdag siya and it's hard for me to move. It's uncomfortable, like yeah, because yeah, it's yeah, oh my god, hirapan ako. Yung hiya ako moving to it, not just, you know, yung hiya ko, tsaka yun nga, hiya. So oh my god, like hirapan ako. I don't know, like it, the scene. So wala na akong pakialam sa ganda ko. Oh my god, dati really tinama ako dati guys, that yeah, tinama talaga ako na to be where it is, and where like nasa ganda ako na kung nasaan ako na dyan tinama. So yeah, oh my god, pinahirapan ako. Yung hiya ko guys, nahiya ako kasi na it have to move, not just nahihiya ako that it move, and it moving to it where today it's like yeah, I got this hard. Ang hirap talaga ako. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako hirap, just people I have. Yeah. So, nalulungkot ako that I have to look to it, to experience to it. Yeah. Actually, walang problema talaga siya, guys. It's just, you know, this is disrespecting me. Nahirapan ako lumabas ngayon kasi moving, tapos knowing that, you know, hiya na nga ako, tapos seeing that hindi ko na nga maingatan, hindi ko na and then ito na inaalagaan, so then supporting to it, to as yeah, Hirap ako. I don't know this. Nalulungkot ako sa this is not really because yeah, it's people. So nalulungkot ako how they're really putting themselves being right there. Actually no problem. They just um sad how themselves for me. So I'm fine. Hirapan ako ganun, hirap na ako gumalaw kasi I know that nahihiya na nga akong igalaw, gumalaw, and then padagdag pa to na yun nga that, yeah, yung hiya ko, hindi kasi makapal yung mukha ko guys, so nahihiya ako. Dali lang naman, kakapalan mo lang naman yung mukha mo, diba? So yeah, yun, nahihiya ako. Ito ngayon, alright, sabihin ko na lang tuloy, sabihin ko na lang. Yeah, kasi guys, toothbrush ako ngayon which is yung gamit ko. Huwag na. Okay, hanggang doon na lang. And then, it could not that, oh my god, ba't ba ako naghihirap? This is people that I have. It's not, oh my god, yung hair ko mahaba. Mahirap pala pag mahaba yung buhok mo. Okay? Yeah. Mahirap pag mahaba. Okay, pakita ko na sa inyo yung outfit ko guys. For today. So, I'm taking right now. Just like this. Oh my god. It's kicking. Oh my god. So yeah. Ilang minutes na to. Harap. Ano ba naman itong mga tao? Tapos, it's hard for me. I'm sad. My people. Ni ultimo. Colgate. Ang hirap takbuhan sila. I don't know what's in their head. Hindi talaga ako nangingialam. So yeah. Kahit Colgate siya guys, hirap takbuhan. Oh my god. Yeah. So that's how hard financially myself care. Yeah. So Colgate na nga lang, hirap pang takbuhan. Hindi ko ba alam bakit. But anyway, yeah. Yeah, oh my god. Where you guys came, that madness. Yung hirap talaga ako ngayon guys. Financially. Actually, yeah, it's not. Hindi naman sa hirap. Just people. Because you know what? Yeah, you know how hard or what I have to run with them. Yes, even with toothpaste na nga lang. At, yeah. Then meron pa na isa nalalabas na naman. Actually hindi siya mahal guys, magkano lang yung toothpaste. I don't know what's in their head because this is really disrespectful. And then yeah, meron pang isa, yeah, yung sabon. So yeah, magkano lang yun. That's how I have people running them. And I don't know where this madness. Yeah. Ito na nga, bitaw na nga lahat ng akin. Bitaw na lahat. It have to be, just clean on it. Hindi ko magawa. Maraming itong mga tao. Kahit may malinis na nga lang. Ganun kahirap. At yan, nabulungkot ako. They're mad. Especially, when Yeah. So, yeah, ito na naman. Oh my God. So, you know. Yeah. Actually, kasi ito, yeah. Share to guys. Oh my God. Isang araw pa lang. Yeah, lagi na mga tao. Actually, I'm fine. You know. Yeah, it's just, that's them where I'm sad. Led where I don't know where this came their madness, you know, because I'm not born that way where I'm all actually right. Yeah. So yeah, being not okay is fine. Just have, yeah. So I'm having it today just because the people that I have, hindi pa siya problema, pero problema na siya because that's how them. So yeah, hindi pa siya problema na ganun ka